Myntri Rangbah ka Jylla Conrad K Sangma ka steps Nyngkong ula kaweh lama ya ka Northeastern Region ka rally Kum Shi Bynta ka Jingrakhe ka jingdap nyopusan Snem ka National Cadet Corps. Katei ka program kumba khat artli ki kali ka lami na Shillong bannet kylleng ka thaiñ shatei lami mihngi jangkari lait no ka Manipur. Hakani ka singi la don lang Bah Metbah Lyngdoh Chairman ka State Planning Board Major General Gagan Deep ADG NCC Directorate Northeastern Region na Lord kiwe.
Okay, we'll do one thing. I know what they want. They just want the flag, the photo to come, right? Our video low, then I just put up, but then immediately after that, you have a millisecond to get out of the way. Okay? Right. Please. 1, 2, and 3.
Come behind, dangin agak di, jauh nama jauh lah, jangan tunggu deh.
Bring it to the notice of our Major General that even our state government is doing a large number of programs, especially for the youth of our state. Programs that have not been done in the past, programs that are specifically meant to actually nurture and channelize the energy of the youth in the right direction. They just gave a passing remark of a program called Meghalaya Grassroots Music Program. And you'll be happy to know that in season 1, because we're in season 2 now, in season 1 we had 1,500 of our youth artists who were given a platform to perform, were paid for it, and got an opportunity to sing in front of the public and in front of tourists in different cafes, in different tourist locations. And this year we plan to double that and try to touch about 3,000 artists. And it's a really successful program because the youth and most of our youths in the region and in Meghalaya state are into music. And hence they really enjoy it and it really gives them a platform to move forward. Another very important program that we have is what we call Yes Meghalaya. Again, it's a youth-oriented program where we support different youth groups. Approximately 3,000 groups are being supported as we speak, and we hope to touch about 10,000 groups. And the idea is you can do any program you want, any music program you want to organize, any sports program you want to organize, any social activity you want to do, any kind of environmental activity you want to do. The government of Meghalaya will support you up to 1 lakh rupees to do these programs, and as I said, we have supported close to 3,000 groups, and we want to go up to 10,000. Maybe NCC can work, and these different groups, the 10,000 cadets that you have, if they can be organized, and the funds that we are giving to the youth in any case, we don't mind increasing it, because it's something that is good for the youth and for the state and for the nation as a whole. And so I would be very happy if we could explore that option where we could start maybe working together, because it looks like, and we can clearly see that our goals, targets and objectives are very, very similar in trying to, as I said, channelize the energy and create responsible citizens for our state and patriotic citizens for our state. I was very happy to see the way the cultural program was tailored. If you noticed, I don't know how far you could read into it. The two aspects, apart from the confidence building, the discipline, the talent, there was a lot of stress on the fact that you have to know your culture and your identity and the uniqueness and be proud of what you are.